Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name's Ardil and today's video is all about adding a dash camera solution onto this Lexus, and this is a really smart solution for you guys. The dash camera that we've added in is something called a Thinkware U3000. It's one of those flagship top spec units money can buy at the moment. You've got so much functionality built into this dash camera, but the main thing is the installation. The installation has obviously been carried out by our team in-house inside our 11,000 square foot facility. Vehicle has had 5-meter bay that it's been worked on. All of the trim panels that gets removed aren't just laid on the floor, they are on and put onto custom shelving that we've got behind every single vehicle. So this dash camera solution has involved a cable run that runs front to back of the vehicle. You've got a front and rear camera on here, and you've also got radar built in to the front and rear camera, and radar basically means that it's got an enhanced parking mode facility when this vehicle is parked. And we've also added in the Thinkware iVolt battery. The iVolt battery means that 45 minutes of driving gives around 16 hours of recording on the other side, which is really important because when you're parking up a vehicle, especially vehicles this kind of size, you're more and more prone to having door dinks and dents done and just accidents in general in the vehicle, just because it is a wider vehicle. So it is really important that you're protecting yourself and also others on the road with having coverage of a really neat solution that doesn't look too obtrusive, looks really neat and tidy, easy to use application to access all your footage, but also it protects you. Not only obviously if someone was to hit you, but also if you were to hit someone else, then you also got that protection because you can identify who was at fault. And you might be thinking, yes, if this car hits someone else in from a driver in front and it's a rear end hit, you might be thinking, well, it must be this person's fault. But from personal example, one of my family members, they had a similar incident where they actually went into behind someone and it went down as their fault only because they had dash cam footage showing that that person just stopped, selected reverse and hit this car. Yes, in theory, this car hit the car in front, but protecting it with a dash cam, protecting those no claims, getting your insurance premiums down when they only ever want to increase. These systems are exactly what you need. So if you guys are looking for a dash camera solution, make sure you head over to our website because we've got not only dash cam options there, you can pop an inquiry and we can send you over our options list for your vehicle, but also what you can do is have a browse of some of the other bits and pieces like this client has done. We've added the satin paint protection film, red calipers, window tint, security, loads of other bits and pieces, all while the vehicle's been in with us. And that is a really true cool thing to do to a car because you can have a full transformation just like this one has done, but also adding in the simple but very, very needed and effective things like dash camera solutions while the car is in with us. So thank you once again for watching. Hopefully you guys have learned a little bit more about the dash camera solution that we've done on the Lexus, and I hope to see your vehicle in with us soon. I'll see you on the next one.